Okay, so in this one, we're going to look at the expressions, equations, and inequalities, but with a few word problems for each. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Okay, so with a multiple choice problem like these, we're going to solve them. So which expression is equivalent to negative 3 groups of 2x minus 8? So first, just simplify it. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. And negative 3 times negative 8 is plus 24, and then plus 4x. Now I just need to combine my like terms. Negative 6x plus 4x is negative 2x plus 24. So I've simplified it. Now B is the only solution that works. This one is equivalent. Do the same thing for the next one. 2 plus 3 groups of 2x plus 5. So first I do my distributive property. So I have 3 times 2x, which is 6x, and 3 times 5 is 15. Then I'll just bring my 2 back down, and now I simplify. I have 2 plus 15 is 17. So I have 6x's plus 17. This one. 17 plus 6x. Which expression is equivalent to negative 18 minus 64n? So this is kind of working in reverse. What's negative 2 times 9? It's negative 18. And negative 2 times a negative 32 is a positive 64n. So A does not work because the positive is different than that negative. 2 groups of 9 is 18, and 2 groups of negative 32 is negative 64n. Also does not work. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. And negative 2 times positive 32 is minus 64n. This works. This is the same as that. So it's C. N plus n is 2 n's, and then 2 n's minus 0.18n is going to be B. Basically, it's just what's 2 minus 18. You do your subtraction and you'll get 1.82. So it's B. Word problem. Miss Talsness spent a total of $175 for 4 admission tickets and for the parking at a baseball game. The cost of each ticket was the same amount. The cost of parking was $25. Write an equation. So she spent a total of $175. So she spent a total of $175. So whatever it is equal to 25. The 4 tickets, she bought 4 tickets. And each ticket was the same amount. Do I know what the cost of each ticket was? No. So let's just call it X. She spent 4 times something for tickets, and the cost of parking was 25. So there is my equation. 4 times the number of tickets plus $25 for parking equals a total of $175. And then in B, what is the cost of each ticket? So now I just solved that 2-step problem. Minus 25 to both sides. 4x's equal 150. Divide each side by 4. 4 goes into 150. 4 goes into 15 3 times. 12, remainder of 3. Bring down my 0. 4 goes into 30. 7 times. Remainder of 2. Bring down a 0. Each ticket was $37.50. Clara goes miniature golfing. She pays $7.50 for the ticket and $6.25 for each round she golfs. So she's going to golf numerous times. To get in, she pays $7.50 just to walk in. But then every time she wants to play a game of golf, she pays $6.25. Now this is going to be times G or X, whatever, any letter works. And in total, she paid $26.25. So this is my equation. I just need to find out which one that is. So which of these equations is equal to that? It's A. $7.50 to walk in, and then $6.25 X for how many rounds of golf. So A. Caitlin wants to buy a $75 skateboard. So the skateboard is $75. She has $25 right now. She mows lawns to make extra money and earns $20 for each lawn she mows. Which inequality can be used to determine the number of lawns she needs to mow to buy the skateboard? So can she buy the skateboard for less than $75? No. What that means is I can automatically get rid of A and C, because A and C both say less than or equal to 75. And she needs $75 or more. So these two are immediately off the table for what could be answers. She has $25, and then she makes $20 for each lawn she mows. So which one of these shows me greater than or equal to 75? And that would be B. Last one, Manny goes bowling. He has $25 to spend. He spends $4.25 to rent shoes, and then $2.50 for each game. So I'm going to start with these two statements. He has to buy the shoes, but he only buys them one time, or rent the shoes. And then, for every game he plays, he spends $2.50. So if he plays one game, he spends $2.50. 2 games, double that. 3 games. Every game he plays, he needs to pay $2.50. Now, if he only has $25, I need to find how much money is less than or equal to 25, because you can't spend more than that. So this would be my inequality. $4.25 plus $2.50 is less than or equal to $25.